Hi guys, so today we're going to be making some spaghetti with ground beef. Okay, first thing first, I'm going to cut this here. I think I can cut it. I can't open it like that. This scissors is not working. So dull. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, this is how the ground beef look. Yep. This is the brand ground beef that I'm using. I bought this at Costco. I don't quite remember how much it was. I don't remember the price, but it wasn't that expensive, to be honest. And I'm going to use some of this season. This is Maggi all-purpose season. I really love this brand, Maggi. It made the food taste really good. I really love it. So I'm going to use some of the Maggi and pepper. If it's look here, I don't have salt because I don't normally use salt on my meat if I am using season. Yeah, so continue watch while I just season up my ground beef. So I'm going to cut this onion, and I'm going to get some green onion. So I have this onion and I'm going to use some green onion as well. I do not have any garlic, which is bad because I really love to use garlic. So I'm just going to get some green onion. Guys, I tell you the importance of having a garden. Look at this. So this is my green onion and this is my pepper. So I'm just gonna pick one from here because I have some that is frozen in the fridge. So I'm just gonna get one. Oh my god, it's so deep down in the heart. Yeah, here we go. So here we go. I got one and I'm gonna use some that's already in the fridge. You know, there is something that I want to ask. Am I the only person that does not wash ground beef? Comment down below and tell me. Do you wash your ground beef before you prepare it? Okay, these are my onions and green onion that is cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and season the ground beef. Just a little disclaimer, guys. So this is my way of cooking ground beef. So I don't want you to judge me or anything. This is just my version of it. You can add tomato, but I am not going to add any tomato to it, seeing that I am going to use tomato sauce or tomato. This is the Maggi. And then I'm going to use this pepper. I'm also going to use some of this Cool Runnings garlic, pepper, and herbs season. As I said before, I don't have any. Oops. I'm also gonna use some of this season. It's the Cool Runnings brand garlic, pepper, and herbs. I don't have any garlic, guys. I'm gonna use some of this. Not a lot, just a little. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna add some oil to my pot here. I'm not adding too much oil. I'm going to go ahead and add my onion and scallion. Some people use tomato and bell pepper, but guys, I'm not using any. It's not that I don't have, but I just don't want to use any because I'm going to use the tomato paste. So I'm not going to use any of no tomato, or I'm not going to use any bell pepper. So I'm just going to put it here. So I'm just going to fry this a little. Okay, here we have it. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my ground beef. Oops. My ground beef. Okay, this is where it's looking. So this is where okay, so I'm gonna use this spaghetti. Let's check on the water. It's boiling. I don't even know how much to make, to be honest. But will just do. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.